I haven't done that.
Right.
But
yeah, that makes sense. It might be, yeah. You just need to program your ESC so it knows
yeah,
where
which I don't want to screw with because there's two of them.
Right. Yeah, because some of the helicopter,
it's fun, isn't it?
some of the helicopter ESCs, you have to first thing you do is
Oh, there's that's the top bottom. I should be able to tell.
So it knows where all those are. You tell
Exactly.
it where the parameters are.
Yeah.
And then you initialize it and it locks in and memorizes it.
All right. So well, I won't have that I won't have that excuse at least. Yeah. Oh, wait, where is it? I think what I have to do, the sun probably isn't going to be my biggest problem. It's going to be the earth. I'm not going to run into the sun. Oh, another thing that's fun is the only steering on it on the ground is the nose wheel. There is no nose wheel, it's off. It just. All right. Well, hey, maybe I should do my. Yeah, I'm very concerned about just driving it into the ground again. Oh yeah, well it's definitely pulling up this time and not down. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely easy to see. Well, the ailerons look like they're adjusted nicely. Oh, did you? Here, I'll come back closer. Okay. Wow, it sure is flying nice, though. And the weight didn't seem to have any adverse effect. I mean, I wasn't even, well, actually, I am at full throttle. Wow, when I let up on the throttle a little bit there, it's definitely not like a prop plane. You start, well, the thing is, I think it's that you lose so much lift. Wow, yeah. Hear it? Oh yeah! Wow, those were a U. I think I need to put some more fiberglass. I mean, look at that. That is great. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, actually, I mean those were full on low rates. You thought I was going to crater it, didn't you? I don't. But no, I mean if I had gotten distracted, it would have been in the That is true. Yeah, well, I'm trying to at least sort of maintain normal club rules. Not fly behind myself. When people weren't here, I was doing that a lot. Yeah, well. think at the current amount of throttle, it moves along pretty quickly. Three. Yeah, same as yours on your helicopter. I think exactly the same battery. Oops, starting to slow down a lot. Yeah, I think it's probably a good idea to bring it in pretty quickly. I mean, quickly as in like soon. Ooh! Yeah, no, power just went. Yeah, I was doing that and I'm like going, I should just go straight. And oh yeah. Yeah, I should have just, you know, pretty much, well, not knowing, I didn't realize how, I mean, this is how much power it has left.
Oh, yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean, there's nothing. It's just a little bent.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it wrinkled it up a little bit, but
Yeah,
not bad.
no, that'll be fixable. I mean, considering what it was before, that'll be fixable.